All right, what's going on, folks? Mark Lux, DLUX Motorsports, right here on the YouTube. Today we're bringing you a 2004 F250 Harley Davidson edition with just over 130,000 miles. The truck is lifted on a set of 20 by 12s. Some Dixie Peck tires, or excuse me, not Dixie Peck, Wild Peak, baby. Wild Peak, let's go, Falcons. Anyway, the truck is in gorgeous shape. Absolutely zero body rust. You can hear this Joker whistling, baby. Straight cold, legit whistling. Anyway, just over 130, I think it's like 132,000 miles. No body rust, okay? The frame has just basic surface rust. Last owner was right here in Virginia. You see the frame? The frame is still in very good shape. Tires, knee-deep in rubber. Some of the wheels do have some curb rashing on them. Maybe a couple small rock chips here and there on the outside. There's one little touch-up spot right here if you get close. Overall, the condition of this truck is very, very nice. I'm gonna shoot you guys to the inside real quick, give you guys a little bit of view of the inside. Same thing, driver's side is in very good shape. You guys can see the paint is still super glossy. And folks, if you guys haven't already, in the bottom right corner of this video, make sure you guys click the like and subscribe button right there. Click that bell to turn notifications on. Now here's the beauty of the Harley Davidson truck. It also baby, has the rare rear captain's chairs. Let's freaking go. So rear captain's chairs, it is a Harley truck, so it has full power options, heated seats. As you can see, I was using it. The seats have very minimal wear on the side bolsters. The badging on the seats. Center console. You can see the gauges. There's the mileage, 134. 192. You got a triple gauge pod right down the left-hand side column. Aftermarket double-din radio. The carpets are still in really good shape as well. I can tell you, overall, this vehicle's in very, very good shape. Give you guys a little bit of shot to the front. Again, you can see the frame. The frame is clean, no issues. Also, this truck was just head studded. This truck was just studded merely 10 miles ago. We will be removing the front light bar. So the zip ties will go away, the front light bar is going to be gone. Anyway, 2004 Harley Davidson F250, 134,000 miles. Like I said, we just did head studs. We did a water pump while we were in there. Brand new Ford OEM oil cooler. We did use Ford OEM head gaskets as well, ARP studs. It is the real deal, folks, the real deal. This truck is just coming up for sale right now. If you guys are interested, give us a call, 540-898-1300. You can follow us on Instagram at DLUX_motorsports, DLUX_motorsports. And again, if you guys have any other questions, you can shoot us an email directly as well if you need to. Email DLUX_motorsports@gmail.com. We do ship nationwide, so if you're interested from out of state, if you want a couple more videos, we can get you more videos if needed. Other than that, all the particulars on the truck will be listed on my website. So click the link in the description. You'll see the direct link to my website. Make sure you guys go right there to the website. We'll have all the upgrades this truck has. It does have intake, tunes, some more stuff. So make sure you guys go check it out. Again, Mark, DLUX Motorsports, right here on the YouTube. I'll see you guys on the next truck. Let's go.